Question 1. What is the first lesson today?
Hi, Anna. What lesson do we have first today?
Let me look at my timetable. We have many lessons today.
Do we have art first?
No, we don't. Art is after maths.
What about music?
Music is the last lesson today. Our first lesson is maths.
Great. I like maths.
Question 2. What should Lucy take to her English class?
Lucy, are you ready for your English class?
Yes, I am. I have my notebook and pencil case.
Do you have everything you need?
I have my pencil and my eraser, but I need my dictionary.
Why do you need a dictionary?
Because we are learning new words today.
Good. Remember to bring your dictionary to every English lesson.
Question 3. What did Tom forget to bring to school?
Tom, are you ready for maths?
Almost. I have my book and my pen.
Do you have your ruler? Oh no, I can't find it. Did you bring it to school?
No, I forgot my ruler at home.
You need it for drawing lines in maths.
Question 4. Where should the students put their school bags?
Students, please put your school bags in the right place.
Can I put my bag on the chair?
No, please don't. We need the chairs for sitting.
Can I put it in the cupboard?
No, put your school bag under the desk, please.
Okay, teacher.
Question 5. What kind of competition is it?
Look at this poster. There is a school competition next week.
What kind of competition is it?
Is it a drawing competition?
No, it isn't. We don't draw pictures.
Is it a sports competition?
No. Students write words and spell them correctly.
Oh, I know. It's a spelling competition.